Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fable House. I'm Devina and today I'm going to be talking about another book of Harry Potter series, which is Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. And I can't wait to get started with this one. But before that, let me tell you that I've also discussed all the 7 parts of Harry Potter in the previous 2 videos, whose links are mentioned in the description, so you may go and check it out. And for this one, I can't wait to get started because I have so many things to say about this one. So let's get started. So this play, basically it's not a novel like the rest. It is a play which is written by J.K. Rowling, John Throne and John Tiffany and Jack Throne, sorry. And it's been written in 2 parts. There is Act 1 and Act 2 and various scenes among them. And this story revolves around Harry Potter and his son this time. The protagonist is Harry Potter's son, whose name is Albus Severus Potter, and his best friend Scorpius Malfoy, who is son of Draco Malfoy. And there is another character, Delphi, who is the daughter of Voldemort, which is revealed later on in this part. And this story is basically the story of after 19 years of Hogwarts battle. And this story highlights the life of Harry Potter's son and Draco Malfoy's son. And there is a role reversal. Draco's son is a very kind, sweet boy, totally opposite of Harry Potter's son. He is arrogant, he has been misguided, he lives an evil life, I must say. Not evil in a wrong sense, he is just a child who is lost because he has been missing the love of his father. And he is being expected to do great things, but unfortunately he fails to do so, like his father, his grandfather and his elder siblings, but that's okay. And so he finds a friend in Delphi, who is Voldemort's daughter, but he is not knowing that, and they are eventually thrown into the well of death by her. And later on that they discover that she is not their best friend, but she has used them as pawns to get to her father, to save him and to bring another Voldemort into the world again. So the story revolves around this, and this is quite a disappointing read for me because I have been expecting lots and lots of things from this one. I thought it will be great just like the 7 parts, but it is not. And the events could have been more descriptive, the theme could have been more relevant and prominent, the plot could have been more thoroughly thought. The ending is very rushed, which I hated. You will see that someone has written the ending in just 1 day or 2 days and just done with it. It's just a job being done. I can't find the same emotion and joy which I have sought in last 7 parts, and that has been missing in this part. And it has totally lost the essence of Harry Potter series in this one for me. And if I'm talking about rating this book, I will definitely rate this book not more than 3 out of 5 stars. Because the plot is incomplete, the themes are not prominent. In fact, the story is misleading, misguiding, the ending is rushed, and the characters are also not very well explained like the 7 parts. So this has been quite an okay read for me. And it is a drama, it is a play, so we can expect things to be not so detailed, but I think she could have done more justice to this part. Now this drama was premiered in 2016, I guess, and it was a huge hit. There was some editing part and there was some corrections, and I guess that worked well. And I think many people will be against me saying that I have not find this book quite interesting, but that is my personal perspective and this is my point of view, and I don't associate anyone else to have same thoughts like myself, and it's totally okay. It's just that I have expected a lot from this book, but it hasn't been completed or succeeded. So it's okay for me being a little disappointed, but it is a Harry Potter series, so it's just a one-time read. Basically, I can read the Harry Potter series again and again every week and not be fed up, but for this one I've read it once and I'm done with this book. And that's all I have to say about this book, and I'm rating this book 3 out of 5 because the plot is not so engrossing for me. The themes are not very well relevant and prominent in the drama. The characters are not very well described. The ending is rushed, and I don't like the book overall, but it is okay. And I just hope all the Potterheads don't come after me saying that how can you say these things. But this is what I feel, so, and I have the right to say what I feel about the book, so that's okay. And I think that's it for this book. And you can also check out the last two parts which I have already talked about. The Harry Potter, there is part 1 and part 2. The links are in the description. You can go and check it from there. And thank you for watching all my videos. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to receive fresh content from me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and keep reading and learning.